Hello everyone. So in this video I will cover how to create a pivot table in SQL Server. Okay, so let's start. SQL Server pivot operator rotate a table value expression and it turns the unique value in one column into multiple column in the output and perform aggregation on remaining column. So I will show you how to do. Okay, so let's see, this is my input. Okay, so this is my input and this is my output. So what was the input? In the input we can see I have the count of each country region, and now pivoting means I want to convert all these columns, sorry, all the value of English country region column into multiple row. Like Australia will be one row, Canada will be one row, France will be one row, Germany will be one row, United Kingdom and United States will be another row. So I just want to convert a unique value of English country region column into multiple columns. So this is called pivoting. Now how to do? So we have to follow some steps to convert this table into pivot table. First we have to select base dataset for pivoting, like which dataset we are going to pivot. Okay, now second we have to create a temporary result set by using a derived table or common table expression. After that we have to use a temporary result set using derived table or common table expression. Anything will work. Third, apply the pivot operator. Let's see, I have the examples, query example. I will show you one by one. So this is my main query. This is my query for pivoting. So as per the definition I will explain one by one. So first definition is first select a base data set for pivoting. So we have to select a data set for pivoting. So I have selected, I want this data set for pivoting. The data set I have selected. Now second is create a temporary result set by using derived table or CTE. So here I am creating a data set using derived table. So you can see I have created derived table that is in the subquery and name given D, and I applied a transformation like whatever data I need to use for pivoting. Let me see what data I have here. Need to select a database. Let's see. So I have this data set. Now I want to pivot. In the pivot I want I want to pivot. I just want count of customer key for each region. Count of customer key for each region in different columns. Like for every region there will be one column. So you can see my query, and after that I applied just pivot operator, and I defined for which column I want to use, like for which column for value of which column I want to convert into multiple column. So I just want English country region name value to convert into multiple column, and the column name will be this much. So let's see, after running this query you can see I have Australia, I have Canada, I have France, I have Germany, I have United Kingdom, I have United States, and this is extra birth year. So we can remove this one, that's not a problem. So when I add the birth year, like it's segregated data for every birth year. Like for birth year 1950 for Australia we have this much count. For birth year 1950 means customer birth year. Customer who born in 1950, their count is 32 in Australia, 18 in Canada, 13 in France, 24 in Germany, like that. So let me remove this column and let's see the result. See, after removing I can see like total count for Australia, total count for Canada, total count for France, total count for Germany. I just converted multiple rows into multiple column with count. But when I add some another column in this pivot, any column, not birth here, any column I can add here, and then data will be segregated, like a row will be segregated or grouped based on that column. So this is how pivot we can use in SQL Server. Now in the next video I will show you dynamic pivot. Thank you.